Actor Akshay Kumar has found himself dragged into a controversy with netizens questioning his patriotism and citizenship in relation to the ongoing protest by farmers. Akshay has not commented on the issue at all and didn't react when Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau supported the peaceful protest by farmers in India, a comment that has not gone down well with the ruling government. Ironically, Akshay is perceived to be close to the current ruling government and even interviewed Prime Minister Narendra Modi when they discussed many things not related to politics. However, given his frequent claims of being patriotic and making films that are loaded with social messaging, many netizens are miffed about his silence on the farmers' protest raging in the country currently. While discussions between government authorities and the protesting farmers are not yielding any solution yet, Akshay Kumar found himself in an odd situation when the Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau commented on the farmers' protests and offered his support to the protesting farmers. Mr. Trudeau said, "The news coming out of India about the protests by farmers is concerning and we are all worried about family and friends. I knew that is a reality for many of you. Let me remind you, Canada will always be there to defend the rights of peaceful protests." Not surprisingly, to this, Indian authorities didn't react positively to his interference in the internal affairs of India. लेकिन कई लोगों ने अक्षय की चुप्पी को क्रिटिसाइज किया और उन्हें ट्रोल करते हुए कहा कि अक्षय अपने दोनों प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स के बीच फंस गए हैं. One user wrote, "Akshay Kumar's PM concerned about Indian farmers." While another said, "One Canadian supports the interest of the Indian farmers and another Deshbhakt Indian stays silent. If the Bhakts want to boycott Canada, let's start with Akshay Kumar, shall we?" While Akshay has not reacted to this controversy or clarified if he has indeed surrendered his Canadian citizenship as he had planned to, the Khiladi was spotted in Mumbai when he met with Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath at a hotel in Mumbai. Pictures and a video from the meeting have been shared on social media. Yogi Ji is planning to meet multiple actors and producers as he discusses plans for a large film city that his government is building along the Yamuna Expressway. अक्षय बॉलीवुड के टॉप एक्टर्स में से एक हैं और वो अब फिल्में भी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. It seems that meeting with the UP Chief Minister may have been related to Akshay's future films being shot at this new location. India ho ya Canada, Akshay can be trolled but not ignored. The actor has built a successful career for himself and turned producer as well, making himself a powerhouse to reckon with in Bollywood.